What is happening, my Homestead peeps? We are going to be hanging out together today, just trying to wash off my tired mama face. There are times I don't even use face wash. I will just take a nice warm rag and scrub my face with it and then apply moisturizer. First things first, we gotta check on the chickens because it was an extremely cold night. I had some veggie scraps that were about to expire, and we weren't gonna eat them, so I decided to give it to the girls. Even though the sun is shining and it's so beautiful out, the temperature is literally in the single digits, so it hasn't warmed up too much. I absolutely love having chickens. If you are going to start with any animal for your homestead, chickens are definitely the best. They are the easiest. I love how they follow me. Every time I leave the coop, they are always wanting to follow me. They are so cute. Honestly though, if it was not for the sun being out, I would not even be out here. Single digits are a bit chilly. I just did a video before this one about making your own garden without having to till up your lawn. By putting compost down and then a tarp over that. It'll just kill the grass underneath, making it very easy to have loose soil, and you won't have to put in tons of effort to start planting in it. I just added a second tarp yesterday, however the wind decided that it was going to make a mess of it. So I had to come out this morning and try and add some more weight to the tarp. Whatevs. I'm just whipping myself up a really quick lunch. And then I will get started on cleaning my incredibly messy kitchen. So this is our new house that we just moved into a little over a month ago. I absolutely love the kitchen. It's not the biggest kitchen ever, but it's bigger than like almost any other kitchen I've had. So I'm super excited about it. I've never had like real countertops. They've always been those just cheaper, old ones. So I was pretty excited about the countertops. I will say it's taken me about 12 years to clean that waffle maker. I finally got it clean though. I don't know what it is about waffle makers when kids make waffles, but there is always leftover waffle stuck in every crack and crevice. I hope everyone is cool with seeing the tired mom wardrobe, sweatshirt, sweatpants. I mean, this is me on pretty much a daily basis unless I'm going somewhere or if I'm working out and I just feel like wearing better workout clothes or if people are coming over. My husband will kind of make fun of me sometimes because I sort of wash the dishes a little bit before putting them into the dishwasher. I don't wash them with soap. It's literally just water wiping out any like stuck on food and stuff. I just find that they wash up better. I don't get all the stuck on food, but just a good amount of it. So whenever I'm cleaning, there's usually a lot of commotion and people uncleaning while I'm cleaning. And usually our dog Sophie likes to lay right in the middle of the floor. She loves being in all the action. Well, now she's in the living room, but she normally likes to be right in the middle of all the action. Had to go from pigtails to a ponytail. The pigtails were kind of pulling the back of my neck a little bit. You want to know something crazy? I just wiped down the fridge and the microwave a few days ago, and it already had a film of dust on it. How in the heck does that happen so quickly? Love putting moisture back in the air with a teapot. My daughter just got a new fish tank. She was so excited about it. Either Sophie wants to dance, or I think it's time for her to go out and go potty. I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I'm going to make a really quick snack. I have a half of an avocado and a little bowl. I'm literally going to whip up a teeny tiny bit of guacamole and eat some with a little bit of siete chips that are in this bag. I cut the bag in half because it's one of those giant bags from Costco. All I do to make guacamole, I add salt, garlic powder, garlic salt, and literally stir it in. I seriously love this little laundry closet. The kids forgot to take the clothes out of the washer last night, so we gotta run the load again, so we don't have stinky clothes. Whatevs, it is what it is. It's still more convenient than washing by hand. Although I have talked to the kids about getting a hand crank washing machine. They didn't sound as excited about that though. Thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys, and just sharing in our everyday life. I would be so incredibly honored if you would like this video and subscribe so you can follow along on our journey. I have seriously loved all the homesteading friends that I have met over the last few years, and I'm always up for making more. Leave a comment down below to let me know the state that you homestead in. I've been in Wyoming, Montana, and now in Wisconsin, but I love hearing where other people are from and how their homesteading journey is where they are. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll check you later, my homestead peeps.